We're back for another adventure! Today, Sam and Mike have to cross the road from the Chapelot's path to the base of the commandos in action. But it looks like our Jeep RocHobby is going to have an electrical breakdown, forcing our heroes to hitchhike on the side of the road. Will they be rescued by anyone?
What's happening to our Jeep?
We have an electrical failure. Now we need to get to the base before nightfall. What now, Sam? Let's hitch a ride with whoever happens to be passing by. Let's go, let's go!
Commander, there are two guys on the side of the road asking for a ride. Do you want me to stop and help?
We don't have time for that. Go straight through. We need to arrive before dinner. Accelerate, accelerate. Fast, fast, fast.